मैडम ನೋಗಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ
What's her name? Sneha?
Okay. Open panelo. Sneha, go on, open door. Can you open panelo? Can you check the door?
Sir? Sir? John? Let them stand there. Because backside, no, that's why.
What is this? Okay.
Stop.
Okay, Pragya, I just want to say something. Anil, thank you so much for the fridge. We really appreciate it. And the kids are all so happy to see the fridge. Thank you very much.
Can I do that? I'm just going to do that.
Clap, everybody clap.
Again, I'll do it on this video.
Clap, everybody.
Everybody see the camera. Thank you, Anil sir. Anil sir. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye. Okay, James, can you say the same thing because I'm going to get it on video on here too.
Yeah.
Yeah, go. Ready, steady, go.
Okay, thank you, Anil, for the fridge. I think the kids are so happy as we open the fridge, and it's going to be used for a very long time. We asked the kids if they have fridge in their homes, but they don't have a fridge at home. So this is the first fridge they're going to be using at the school. Thank you very much.
Shouldn't say once again there. There. Say thank you. Very much. Thank you, Anil sir. For this fridge. Fridge. Thank you. Adela. Hey, very good.
Okay.
That's a box series. Box